Hi, my name is Didier. I'm a trainer in Ozford College. I work here quite a while. So here in the Ozford College we deliver hospitality management, and also we have commercial cooking, which is great facilities in Ozford Junction in Lygon Street. And in the kitchen we have different types of equipment such as two wok burners, we have deep fryers, we have a blanching machine, and we have a friendly atmosphere for students here working, and get the student to have experience before they hang on to the real world in the industry.